How to log in into your MyAviva account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your MyAviva account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. Then simply search for aviva.com. Head over to aviva.com and you should be on this page right here. After that, you will need to head over to this MyAviva option on the top right here. Tap on it and it will take you to this page. Scroll down a bit and there you will see three different options. One is to create your MyAviva account. The second one is to activate your MyAviva account, and the third one is to log in into your existing one. Tap on login into your existing MyAviva account and you should be redirected to this page. What you'll need to do is simply type in your email, and after you type in your email, you'll then need to type in the password for your MyAviva account. So type in the password for it, and if you want to remember your username, you can simply check this button in. After you do that, you can then tap on login option to log in into your account. If you've forgotten your details, you can tap on this option to go ahead with the reset process. And yeah, there's also an option to register if you don't have an account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.